Hello friends, welcome to my channel IT Solution. In this video I will tell you how to make a bootable pen drive. Yes, let's start. First of all we need a Windows image file. Second thing is we need a tool for create a bootable pen drive, which is Power ISO. And the last one and the most important is USB pen drive. Yes, so let's start the video. First of all I'm going to open my Google Chrome. Now I have to type here download Power ISO. Now click on the first link. This is the official link for download Power ISO. It is free for download. Okay, now the page is open. Now you can select here download Power ISO version 8.1 32-bit and 64-bit. My system architecture is 64-bit, so I am going to select 64-bit. Now I'm going to click on 64-bit. Yes, now it's downloading. Yeah, it's almost downloaded. Now I'm going on the download path. See, here my file is downloaded. Now I am going to download it. And see one more thing, I have Windows 10 image file here, Windows 10 ISO image. We will create bootable pen drive with Windows 10. So first of all we need to install the Power ISO. Now I'm going to right click on it for installation. Now I am going to select run as administrator and I am closing this windows. Now see, now you have to click here on yes button for installation. Now I'm going to close it and close it. Now see, this is the first screen of the Power ISO. Now I am going to click on the I agree button for installation the video. Now this is the path of installation of ISO. See program file Power ISO. Now I am going to click on the install button. See, after complete this setup, Power ISO shortcut is created here. Now I am going to click on the next button. Now on this screen I am going to select all one file association and untick this option, check for update automatically. I don't want to update this software, so now I am going to click on the last option on close button. After clicking close button, the one message appear. Yes, this one. Thank you for installing Power ISO. Congratulations. Now the Power ISO has been installed on our system. Now I am going to close it. Now I am going to make a bootable pen drive. So I will open my Windows 10 ISO image. Yes, this is my Windows 10 ISO image. Now I am going to right click on it and select Power ISO, then Power ISO with open with Power ISO. Yes, we have to click here. See, the next screen is appear. Here are three options: continue trial version, online order, and the third one is enter registration code. So we don't have the registration code and I don't want to purchase this link, so we will continue with the continue trial version. So I am going to click on here continue trial version. After click this option, see, these are the content of Windows 10 image. So now we have to click on tool button and select create bootable USB drive for create bootable USB pen drive. So I am going to click on it. After click on it, we have got one more message. In order to use this function, you need to run Power ISO as administrator. Do you want to continue? Yes, we will continue. And I am going to click on the OK button. After that, you have to click again on yes button. See, this screen will appear once again because we are going to open it run as administrator. Now again we have to click on continue trial version, so I am going to click on it. Now see, here is the most important point. This is our source file, Windows 10 ISO image. It is here in this path. Now the second part is destination USB drive. So this is right now is blank. Now I'm going to uh, place my pen drive on my system. Just give me a moment. I have inserted my pen drive on my PC. So this is the my antivirus message. So I'm going to close it. Now see, after plugging the pen drive on my system, you can see my pen drive name here, SanDisk Ultra 16 GB. Yes, I have plugged SanDisk USB pen drive on my machine. Now I am going to click on the start button for process my bootable pen drive. So let's start. See, now this is the main important point here. If you have any important data in your pen drive, please take the backup, otherwise you will lost all data. So I don't have any important data on my pen drive, so now I'm going to click on the OK button. Okay, let's start. Okay, after clicking OK button, you can see the process is started. So it will take around 17 minutes to create bootable pen drive. So till then I will going to pause this video. Hello friends, only few seconds are left for completion this process. After completion this process, you can format your desktop and laptop with the help of the bootable USB pen drive very easily. So now only 6 seconds are left. Yeah, synchronizing USB drive cache. Yep, we have successfully created bootable pen drive. So now we have to click on the OK button for complete this process. Now close it, and now close it. Now we can check here. See, this is my pen drive, and this is the content of the Windows 10 bootable pen drive. So now with the help of this bootable pen drive, you can format anytime your devices. If you like this video, then please click on the like button, bell button, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.